Hi, this is Trey Woods, and you can find me at appmarketermagazine.com or at Twitter at app_marketer or facebook.com/appmarketer. In the next 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to find out the number of downloads an app has. This is going to save you a lot of time when you're developing new app ideas so you can see if it's a viable product using Ziya Logic.
So guys, Ziya Logic is a really useful tool for app developers, and I'm going to show you around some of the most important features here. So the thing that stands out here first is that Ziya Logic actually estimates the total amount of downloads and also the amount of monthly downloads. Let's take an example, right? Go to iPhone and let's go to Weight Watchers, and you can look at my plate and you could see that there's over 1 million downloads in total and 37,000 downloads in August. So as we discussed with Mateus from Ziya Logic, these are actually ballpark figures. So they're not 100% accurate, but they could be definitely considered an indication of how popular these apps are and how many downloads they get. And keep in mind, Android tends to be more accurate than iPhone on Ziya Logic. So between Android apps and, let's say, there's a margin of error about 20%, whereas an iPhone, it's just a ballpark figure. The other useful feature that you should be aware of with Ziya Logic is that Ziya Logic can give you a great summary of the overall app rating. So if you were to look at an app on iPhone, let's say draw something, right? You could look at a lot of cool things, right? You could look at reviews, things like that, and you could check it out, right? There could be more critical reviews, but this one in particular gets almost a 5-star rating in total. So when you're going to do very deep research, you're all going to want to read the reviews of your competitors, but this gives you a quick snapshot of what people think of the app and why they're writing reviews. Lastly, another useful thing that they have here is the app stats, and right here, reports. Ziya Logic puts out a lot of monthly reports on a variety of subjects, and it can paint a good picture of what's happening in the App Store right now. So that's it for Ziya Logic.
I'm advising you, if you're considering building an app based on the number of downloads you figure out it has, you need to watch out for if there's a lot of competitors in the App Store. If there's more than 15 competitors, you should try another app idea. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to find out how many downloads an app has. To learn more in depth about this, you can go to appmarketermagazine.com and also read full articles about this. Just go below this video on YouTube right now and you'll see a blue link in the video description at YouTube that says appmarketermagazine.com/free. If you're not on YouTube right now, then you can click through and go to YouTube or press the button probably on this page that you're at and it'll take you right over to get the magazine for free. Be sure to go over there and get it right now because it'll only be free for a limited time. Anyway, it's been fun. Talk to you soon.